Good morning everyone. I'm starting a vlog today at 2 o'clock. I had a shower, I had breakfast, I went to the shop, bought some food that I needed and made a dinner. Well, I prepared everything, I just need to cook it. So now I came to my room, to my work area, to my messy room, and I'm gonna start sewing. Yesterday I started doing in the evening, but I don't really want to start sewing really late at night because I don't want to like wake up neighbors and everything because it's quite loud. So yeah, and I can't start doing small scrunchie because the labels that the labels that I ordered, they're too big unfortunately, and they just don't suit me, so I need a new one. I just want to make of each of every single product. So I made a big scrunchie, I need a small one. Headband is almost done. I braided, I just need to finish the bow. And the bow comes with, again, 2 sizes. So it comes with this kind of system in the back breadth. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 different products. So I don't have that color thread. If I couldn't find any, I do white. So for example, I couldn't find for this beautiful interesting color thread, so I'm gonna use white. Usually I try to find the right one, but not always is possible. And for example, for this one I had perfect match, like you can't even see the thread. So yeah, it really depends. I'm just sorry, but I'm just obsessed with this color. It's like purple gray. I love it. Oh my gosh, this collection, I'm just like, I want to cry. So beautiful. I love it. So this scrunchie is my big scrunchie. So this one is a big one, and this is a small. So just make it nice. So these are the differences of the sizes. I don't know, is it focusing? Yeah, it is. So big one, small one. So big one, it's not that big, but I don't like huge ones, but it's quite big. And this is a small one. So yay.
So many of us exist so on the internet, and like, yeah, I'm a child of the internet. I got this job through the internet. I was communicating with my boss through the internet, my client, whatever. But I think so many successful in that those creators posted a lot of content for us. So they really helped with getting more signups from their, network. And they also...
So this is a new fabric. So this is the largest scrunchie. I couldn't make the smaller one because I got a new labels. So this is a new label and it's quite huge. So for the larger scrunchies it's okay, but for the smaller ones are definitely no. So I'll have to wait for the smaller ones. I just ordered a smaller version. But yeah, so this is a new fabric and I don't know how it's called now. I haven't figured out yet. But it's like creamy white green. Okay guys, so Aurora hair bow and these two. Don't know, this is the same fabric as Aurora but different color. I don't know the name of it still, like I can't figure out what kind of name I can give. And I have this one which is like a greenish silver color. So I'm gonna make a video of 3 of these because I think it's really good for bridesmaids, for weddings, for whatnot. So I'm gonna make a quick video putting them on, and maybe I can make an ad with these. So yeah, just wanted to make them and I'm gonna go and film now. Okay, so what I'm thinking, these are the bows. I'm thinking of wearing this dress and this would be the setup because the white wall is just not giving me the vibe. So I'm thinking this will be backdrop basically. So let's get dressed and have a look. Okay, I'm gonna try and film, but I don't know how the bow in the back, but I don't know how it's gonna look. I can't see myself. It's so hot. Okay, I just filmed a little bit from my back with the bows. I don't know how it looked because I can't see that far away. So when I will import to my computer, then I will see results. And I need to put some in that chair and make some footage just laid down. You can check on the computer how it looks. I'm gonna have my cold soup. It's basically a pink soup, beetroot soup, however you want to call it. So just made it. I'm gonna have my lunch and then we'll have a look what I filmed. So I checked the content. It's alright. Like most of the angles, like there's like not in the middle, my body is like on the side, but I will be able to use it. Like, yeah, it's alright. The only thing, I need to charge my camera fully and then I will be able to take a picture for the website. But other than that, I'm done. I want to put some makeup and I need to film at least one TikTok video because I haven't filmed anything today. And I'm trying now to post every single day on TikTok. So I'm gonna put some makeup and film a video. And I don't know if you are like the same like me, but like people that I'm interested of watching on social media, like YouTube and everything, I'm always like, why they're not posting stuff? I have like my favorite YouTubers that I like to watch, but they don't post a lot. And I'm always like, when are you gonna, in my head I'm like always, when are they gonna post, like blah blah blah. And now I do understand how quickly time goes and how hard it is to be on top of everything with social media, like on top on Instagram, on top with YouTube. Like to film a vlog, you have to have all your day that you're vlogging, and you have to have your camera everywhere. Like for example, I was just editing the video, my camera was on the dining table and I was on the sofa and I was like, oh, I would like to vlog, but my camera is like on the other side of the room. So I was like, oh. But yeah, you always have to have camera on you. It's like it's proper job. Like I never thought, like I knew that not easy, like social media is not easy, like it takes a long time, like do everything, but not that bad. Like guys, social media like it's a full-time job. Like posting one video is a lot. It's already 14. Makeup done. I did a couple of TikToks on my phone. Now I need another one to make with my favorite vitamins. If you've never seen these on TikTok, I highly recommend to check them out. Basically, they have all magnesiums in one. How amazing is that? Usually I used to buy like, I cannot, by the way, I cannot live without magnesium. It helps with my sleep, with my cramps and everything. Oh, just a second. I used to buy magnesium, but it used to be like just one magnesium. This one has 5 in 1. Amazing. I need to make a video. Filmed so much, don't know if anything will be good because I was filming on my phone. My phone died. My battery on my phone is really bad. I'm finally done. I put the dinner in the oven and I'm waiting for my partner to come back home. I just remember that I didn't finish my vlog, so I'm gonna finish here. I need to clean all of this. I hope that the footage will be usable. Really nice evening, really hot. I'm gonna finish my vlog today here. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I don't know. If you have any questions, you can always comment. I wanted to say message, comment me. But yeah, this is my day in life as a self-employed person doing anything to earn money. I didn't expect that it would be such a productive day. I did a vlog, I made so many TikToks and everything, so a lot of footage. The only thing that I didn't do yet is I didn't do the bows behind the white wall for the website, but I'll do that a little bit later maybe. That's my day. I hope you enjoy and I will see you maybe tomorrow. Bye.